I'm here at Toolstop, practicing with the GKS 190 circular saw from Bosch. This is a 240 volt model. Just got to set it up to cut it at a bevel of 45 degrees. Very easy to do, straightforward. You have two bits on, you loosen the back one, and then you loosen the front one. And using the guide which is on the front, you line up to the bevel and reset both, tighten both up, make sure they're thoroughly tightened, hold the blade in place. As you can see there, the bevel is set on the saw.